Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let's clean the coffee maker. It's very important to clean regularly your coffee maker for several reasons. Improved taste. Over time, coffee oils and residues build up in the machine, which can cause your coffee to taste bitter or stale. Regular cleaning ensures that every cup tastes fresh and flavorful. Bacteria and mold prevention. Coffee makers are warm and damp environments ideal for bacteria, mold, and yeast growth. These microorganisms can contaminate your coffee, potentially leading to health issues. Extended lifespan of the machine. For example, mineral deposits from water can clog the internal components of your coffee maker, causing it to work less efficiently or even break down. Regular descaling helps prevent these issues, prolonging the machine's life. Consistent performance. A dirty coffee maker may have difficulty brewing at the right temperature or flow rate, resulting in inconsistent coffee quality. Cleaning keeps it functioning optimally. Energy efficiency. Build-up of debris or scale forces the coffee maker to work harder, consuming more energy. Keeping it clean ensures it operates efficiently. About how often you should clean a coffee machine, it depends on how often it is used. To give you an idea, you should make a daily upkeep. Clean it weekly and descale it monthly or when the descaling light turns on. These days, most of the coffee makers have a system that warns you about when you need to descale it, and it's usually a red light that pops on, but it may depend on the model. Regarding the descaling, you can choose a product that suits you better. There are so many options on the market, from liquid descaler to the tablets, powder, etc. Or you can opt for a natural descaling product that is vinegar. I usually use a liquid product because it's faster and easier to use, and I think that vinegar is not strong enough for the hard water that builds up into the machine. When it's needed, I wash all these parts with degreaser and dish soap to keep them clean, but when this is not enough, I use vinegar, and I will show you how. Vinegar is an effective cleaning agent, especially when left on surfaces for extended periods, because of its unique chemical properties. Acidic nature. Vinegar contains acetic acid, which helps break down mineral deposits like limescale or hard water stains, grime and grease, loosening stubborn residues, dirt and soap scum, dissolving them over time. Time enhances effectiveness. Letting vinegar sit on a surface for several hours allows the acetic acid to penetrate and soften tough buildup, making it easier to wipe away. Dissolve mineral layers, especially on sinks, faucets, and kettles. Natural deodorizer. The longer vinegar stays on a surface, the more it neutralizes odors by breaking down odor-causing molecules. Antibacterial properties. While not a registered disinfectant, vinegar can kill or inhibit the growth of certain bacteria and mold due to its low pH. You can see here that even if I sprayed degreaser on this white tray and left it to soak, then scrubbed thoroughly, it still has some black spots that is grime combined with limescale. In this case, vinegar does its job. I just put vinegar to cover all the spots and let it sit overnight. That's it. This is the next day. You can clearly see that all those black spots that I scrubbed yesterday and didn't come off now are loose and going away with only a touch. Vinegar did its magic. Some common uses for vinegar are bathroom tiles, removes soap scum and mildew, kitchen surfaces, cuts through grease and removes stains, coffee makers and kettles. Now you can see the white tray is much better. It's not like new, but almost. You can see all those spots are gone. All the lime scale is melted and gone. I let everything dry and then put back. To avoid potential damage, avoid using vinegar on natural stone, marble, granite, etc., or certain metals, cast iron, aluminium, without checking compatibility, as prolonged exposure to acid can etch or corrode these surfaces. Now let's enjoy a fresh cup of coffee. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye!